Hello everyone, welcome back to LeadFlex. Today I'm going to show you how to add a chart widget in a GoHighLevel and integrate into the WordPress website. This is a fantastic way to engage with your website visitor in a real time, and also it's a best way to increase your sales and leads as well. So let's dive in. So first of all, we need to log in our GoHighLevel account. So right now I am in GoHighLevel account, so I just make it. So after that, I already in a GoHighLevel account. You see, I'm just go to the first of all we need to create chart widget here. So I need to go to the sites, and after that you can see here is we have chart widget features. You need to just click on it, and after that we can click new add new chart widget. Already I have one chart widget, but I will create new one. You see we have three options here. One is a emails and SMS chat, and one is a live chat, and one is a WhatsApp chat. SMS and emails chat means you can create chart widget, and it will collect data from visitor and ask visitor to put your emails, put your numbers, and put your name, and then we will send SMS and emails with workflows or with automations. In this case we will do live chat. In live chat, for example, user can put their question in a live chat, and we will reply from the chart widgets or from the backend as well. So in this case, you need to integrate your WhatsApp, and in a WhatsApp we will get all the detail and all the queries, and we will answer from the WhatsApp. It's a super easy to integrate. So first things, I'm going to add this one live chat widget, because that's a more convenience for generating more leads and more sales. So I just click on it. We need to add chat widget, so I'm just going to name LeadFlex, because we are going to add on this LeadFlex website. So just I put the name in the LeadFlex, and also here we have all features where we can design and where we can customize according to our requirement and according to our website design as well. So first of all, I'm going to the widget section, and here we can select the design. Just show here, I'm going to select this one. You see here is all design. You can change design according to your requirement. Even you can add your customized color as well. It's up to you, whatever you want to add here. It's up to you. You can add your customized color as well. You can change icon, you can change each and everything in the here. And also in a chart window you have all SMS, all messages that will be appeared when someone click on the chat widget in your website. Also you see here is we have powered by LeadFlex. Here is the features where you can put your powered by LeadFlex and whatever you want to show here. It's a powered by LeadFlex. It's by default pick from my GoHighLevel account, but you can change according to your requirement. Here is necessary messages that will be appeared if chat end, if ask for feedback, if for feedback note is submitted, and chat ended messages. And here you can and select your chat icon according to your requirement as well. So right now I already have designed this chat widget, and after that you need to just save it. Okay, so it's saved right now, but I'm not going to use this chart widget. I have already chart widget 2. You see, as just click on the edit it. I have designed according to my website color and each and everything according to my design and branding. So what I can do just here. There is a two-way. One is we can install lead. I will show you later in this video. We have two-way. One is a lead connector. We need to install lead connector plugin. Another way is just get code and install the code in your website. So I'm going with the both ways. So first of all, I'm going with the code, and I will show you API, how you can set with API as well. I just copy this code, and after that I need to go my WordPress website, go to backend. If you have GoHighLevel 297 plan or 497 plan, then you will get API, and you can generate API and integrate with lead connector. What is lead connector? How to get this lead connector? You need to install plugin that's called lead connector. I'm just going to go to your plugin settings, install plugin, and here we can add new plugin. You can search lead connector. Probably this piece. Yeah, this one is you need to install. It's already installed on my website, but right now I don't have API. So another method is we need to add this code that we have copied from here. We need to put code in our footer section. So what we can do, we can add another plugin here that's called header footer code inserter. Whatever you can search here, header footer code inserter. There is a lot of plugin you can see. I also have header footer code inserter plugin as well. Here is a plugin, and I will show you plugin name as well. You see, that's a header footer code manager. That's a plugin name. So I'm going to this plugin and go to all snaps. Here I can add a code. I just add new code. I just put the name. I just say a chart widget. It's a HTML code. I just select that. It's a side wide. It means it will be applied on a whole site. In the header, no, we need in a footer. Because here you see it says you can put in a body or footer. We are going to put in a footer. I just paste the code here. That's a JavaScript code. I just save it. Okay, so I will try on my website. Yeah, it's working fine here. You see, it's working fine here. There was a cookies issue. It's working fine here. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, if you have any confusion to how to design this, how to integrate this, you can just comment it, or you can go to LeadFlex. It's my site, and book your free consultation. I will guide you how you can add this chart widget, or if you need any help related to GoHighLevel, I'm here to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.